Good afternoon. It's 4 p.m. right now, and I'm recording my video. It is the second day where we are talking about why most of people waste their mornings. The most of people waste their mornings because of they do not want to work. They are lazy. The one of the main reason they are so much lazy. People become so much addicted to their phone. They think if they start doing their work, if they start watching reels in the morning, they will feel good. And that is one of the most reason why most people waste their mornings. uh, Before I was not before I'm also doing the same thing. I also waste my morning. I When I wake up, I don't have to. I don't go for refreshments. I don't go for any fresh sunlight. I have to go out. I have to go for a walk or whatever I have to do. I want to do. I don't do any kind of these things. Start searching for my phone, and then I start I watching reels or whatever is shorts or anything. That is the main reason, because we feel very good. We get the dopamine while releasing while watching reels. It is one of the main reason that we are why the most of people waste their mornings. One more thing is that they do not want to work hard in their life, because most of people think if they are doing they all they do in a day, they do all of hard things in a day, and when they are doing same thing in the morning, they feel exhausted. They never feel exhausted. Their mind feel is this is exhausted. We have to do this work again and again in this day. So why should we do some extra work in the morning, or why should we start so early? That is the one thing our minds keep reminding us every time. So that is the one thing we peoples want to waste our morning time. Why do not waste morning time? That is the one reason why we do not want to waste our morning. uh, because of one thing, because mornings always get you things done before anything, because your energy is so high in the morning. But when the times, when the clock goes down, it is makes you feel exhausted. But whenever you try to distract you from whenever you are get distracted by using your phones and any other devices in your home, you feel you feel a dopamine in your head. And that is the one thing, you get that dopamine in the morning by watching reels. uh, Whatever, if you do not want to wake up early, that's okay. But whenever you wake up, do not use your phone at least for 1 hour. If you want to use it, just like if you watching some, if you want to see the messages from the last night of your friends, or whatever is it important. Whenever I was in college and there is any important messages in the group, I have to check it every morning, because I can't do anything right after that. I have to get done. If there is a college, if there is holiday, I have to check it every day. So that is the one thing. um, I used to see my phone in the morning, otherwise I don't want to use it. uh, because of whenever you use your phone for at least a 1 or 2 minute, you start uh, switching apps. You switch the app between, whenever you are using a messenger app or a WhatsApp, you when you switch your app, you haven't realized, you switch from WhatsApp to Instagram and you haven't realized, oh, I'm on Instagram. What I'm doing here, I'm watching a reel. It's a half an hour. When you started, when you want to see your messages, it's half an hour gone. That is the one thing. Whenever you want to see your messages, just see if there is nothing important, well and good. If there is important, well and good. You do not switch the apps and go for any other, whatever it is, a YouTube or Instagram. You want to watch some shorts or reels, whatever it is. So that is the one thing you can do in the morning. And there are many things you can do, but in the morning, if you want, there is one exercise you can do. Exercise or go for a walk, go for a sprint, whatever you like in the morning. I like swimming in the morning, but not every day, because I do not want to go every day swimming. I want to go every day swimming, but there are some circumstances in my family. I don't uh, go for swimming every day. I once a week. That is the thing in my family. So you can go for a walk, go for swimming, any kind of physical activity you want to work in the morning. That is absolutely great. And you can, in the book of Eat the Frog, in that book, there is, the author says that you have to get your most important work done in the morning, because when you eat the frog first, then you don't have to get worry about. You can eat anything in your day. If you eat the frog in the first session, in the first meal time, in your first most energetic time, now you can do anything in this, in the whole day. That is the one kind of thing I literally want to apply in my life, but I not able to apply. But I should recommend you to try this, because for most of us you can do it. Because I follow a Instagram influencer, which is Arpit Sharma. He is very absolute good. He done his study in the morning. He is absolutely great. I mean, he's fitness. He's a fitness influencer. He done a lot of good things. He always motivate others. I followed him because of his one mindset. He's so much smart, or whatever you can say. He's so much self improvement people. He always want to grow up from the from there, in the circle or whatever he has. He always want to grow up. So that one thing we always wanted to learn. So whenever you want to do your most important work, do it by do it in the morning. It's when you get the shit done, you will definitely do good things in your day. Whenever you start watching reels in the morning, you will end up watching reels, nothing more than. If you start your day by watching the reels, you will end up like you are watching the reel. You have to go for sleep, but you are not going to sleep because you are watching the reels. And that is the main reason you should not waste your energy. You do not waste your morning time. Sorry. So that is the one reason. And why the people waste their mornings, I don't remember. But if you have to achieve something in your life, if you want to do something great in your life, if you want you to grow, not for any other satisfaction, if you want to grow from whenever you are, whenever, not whenever, in which, in whatever you are position now, if you want to grow from there to some another kind of level, so you have to win your morning. If you win your morning, you win your whole day. uh, that is the one thing I can say it for you. And that is a day 2 of my recording series, and that is the end of this video recording, because I have so much, I say too many things, and today I have do lot of mistake in this video, because I don't know, as I am any not anxious or I'm not afraid, but I think in my heart or whenever in my mind I done lot of things wrong in this video. But do not judge me. If you judge, whatever, I don't care, because I always think about myself first and then yours. So that is the one thing. So just record yourself every day. Just I'm doing this is a day second, day 2, and the in the day 1 I haven't seen so many things, like this is a day 1, or this is a series in which we are recording ourselves every day, and we will talk about every new topic on every day, new topic on a new day. So that is the thing, we always do some kind of this is conversation every day. So thank you for all. Let's meet in the next video.